First and foremost, what are energy drinks? Energy drinks are beverages that contain ingredients marketed to increase energy and mental performance. Energy drinks generally contain methylxanthines, B vitamins, carbonated water, and high fructose corn syrup. Here are some examples of energy drinks. Almost all energy drinks contain the ingredient of caffeine to stimulate brain function, increase alertness, and also concentration. This table shows the caffeine content of some popular energy drinks. Well, moving on, let's get started on chemical compounds in energy drinks. By using Monster Assault Energy as an example, I'm going to analyze mainly taurine, caffeine, and also sucrose. First, I'm going to talk about taurine. As a non-essential amino acid, taurine helps to regulate metabolism in our body. In a taurine compound, there is one amine group and one sulfonic acid group. Below are some general characteristics and properties of taurine. On the other hand, taurine is able to react with aldehydes such as glucose or acetaldehyde to give an oxidative effect. Moving on, let's talk about caffeine. The following are AUPAC, chemical formula, molecular mass, and also the characteristics of caffeine. Now, I'm going to show you on properties of caffeine as well as its species and variety. Generally, the species are Arabica and Robusta. In each species, there are also some variety. Up to this point, you might wonder, is there any functional group in a caffeine compound? Well, the answer is yes. In a caffeine compound, there are two functional groups, which are one tertiary heterocyclic aliphatic amine group and two tertiary amide group. Now, let's take a look into the chemical reaction of caffeine. Stay with me in this video to find out how. By that, scientists are able to determine the caffeine content in beverages. Last but not least, let's take a look into sucrose. Sucrose is made up of a glucose and a fructose by condensation. Below are some characteristics of sucrose. But wait, why is sucrose a non-reducing sugar? Sucrose is a non-reducing sugar as it doesn't have a free ketone or aldehyde group which is present in reducing sugar. Now, I'm going to show you some examples. However, sucrose is different from glucose. With that, we're done with chemical compounds in energy drinks. Now, let's talk about how energy drinks can affect our body. Energy drinks provide positive and negative effects towards our body. So, what are the benefits of energy drinks? Energy drinks works to increase our energy, mental alertness, and also our physical performance. But what makes this possible? This is because energy drinks have added caffeine and other ingredients to provide temporary energy boost to our body. Let's see how they work. Caffeine is the primary ingredient found in energy drink, which acts as a central nervous system stimulant. When it reaches our brain, the most noticeable effect we can see is alertness. As you can see from the diagram, caffeine has a similar structure as compared to adenosine, which can be found in our brain. Adenosine is a compound that binds to adenosine receptors, which makes you feel sleepy by slowing down the nerve cell activity. But due to the similarity, caffeine can bind to adenosine receptor and therefore not only block adenosine's ability to slow down nerve activity, it also increases nerve activity by leaving us stimulated and be more alert. Taurine is also found in energy drink, and it is the most common amino acid found in our body. It supports brain development, regulates body's mineral and water levels. It also improves our athletic performance. Energy drink has high sugar content, so when energy drink is consumed, glucose is released into the bloodstream and transported to tissue cells in our muscles and organs to be converted into energy. Up until this point, you might wonder what are the risks associated with energy drink consumption, right? Researchers state that the health risks associated with energy drink consumption are primarily related to their caffeine content. Here are some potential risks associated with energy drink consumption. First, caffeine overdose. Second, type 2 diabetes. Third, sensation-seeking behavior. Fourth, poor dental health. 5. Late miscarriages, low birth weight, and stillbirths in pregnant women. And lastly, neurological and cardiovascular system.